Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a new feature improvement in TechDraw. So today we are going to have a look at the improvement of the section view. So first, let me show you quickly how it worked in FreeCAD before. So before we had two tools. We had section view and complex section views. So there were separated tools, okay? And so you had to first select the view and then trigger the tool. Okay, and then you had this panel here, which gave you various things, right? Base view, which doesn't give much information because we already selected anyway. Identifier, scale type, so those we keep. And then you had this compass thing to oh yeah, it was not clickable, so you had to use this button or this button to select the orientation. And once you choose your orientation, then you would click on update now and you would get the view, right? And then you can change it again and you would click again update now. So a very basic tool, and the complex section was even more complicated because you had to select. Wait a moment. You had to first go to the body, select the body, and select the sketch, and then you go to the page and you trigger the tool. No base view selected. Okay, so it no, you so you I think I'm mixing with another tool. So you select the view first. Okay, so you select the view and the sketch, and then you trigger the tool, and then it was kind of messy. So basically it was a similar UI, but you had these on top, and then you select OK, and the result was the result is buggy. So anyway, let's have a look at how it works with the new tool. Now you start the tool and you have a bunch of creation mode. So the default one is basically first you see you can go on any view. You don't have to to pre-select them. So let's say we are going to make a broken view of this, and you see you're snapping. So here I'm putting the center, and you see it's snapping into position. So let's snap to the center, and now you see it's the second point is fixing the direction because I'm using the center and view direction mode. And so if you want, you can snap here and click validate, and that will validate the section line. Okay, and so here you have a button, you can reset and start over. And so you have different modes. I can show you them. You have like horizontal and vertical. So this one is like the first click just sets like the position of the line, and then you can select top or bottom basically, and that's it. And now let's reset again. So vertical is the same, and then we have center and left point. So you select the center first, and then you select the left point. Yeah, so and then you have center and right, and you also have center and 2 points. Okay, center and 2 points. You select 1 point, you select the left point and then the right point, and you get your section line here. Okay, and the last mode is just 2 points, like left and right, so it's just a section like this. Okay, so that's nice. So let us just make some kind of section line like this. Now the identifier, it's also an improvement. It's automatically increasing. Okay, so it's first giving you A, and then if you make a second section line, it will be B, and so on. And then we have the scale, which is just in this row. Okay, and you see we have a lot less things in the task box actually. So you have actually this button, and if you click it, it will show you like the center coordinates if you want to change it manually. See how it's moving here? And you also have the compass widget if you want to change the direction manually, right? Or reverse it. And now you can click on the compass to just drag to where you want. Okay, but maybe you don't need those controls, so they are hidden by default. So now if you look closely at the section line while the tool is active, you see we have several things here. First, we have these arrows here. You see they are blue and you can click them, and when you click them, it just changes the direction. So the second thing is those rotation handles. So basically this lets you break the section line. So you can make a complex section line. And when you're doing that, you can snap to the points, right? And you can hold the control key and it will snap at 5 degrees, also giving you like a round angle. So yeah, you can do this on both sides, right? So you can make it like that, for example. Now you see we also have those plus button, and those let you add some offset, which let you create more complex um, section views. And so we have simple offset, notched offset, arc offset, and arc notch, basically. So you click the plus on the segment where you want to add the offset, right? And then you can select it, and you see when you move the mouse, it will position the start point of the offset, and then the second point will determine the offset. So you can maybe like this, and then you see it validates the offset, and then you can move them and snap, and also when you drag points you can snap, right? So it lets you position them correctly. Same here, you can pull this one and snap here, for example. Very nice. Yeah, and you see now that you have two segments, you have two plus sign basically if you want to add an additional offset. So you can add another offset like this, for example. Right, and you can also select the offsets and press delete to delete them. So you just remove them like this. Okay, and so now you have several kind of offset. You have notched offset, so basically you select something like this and then you get a notch, right? And the same, you can delete it, and then you have the arc notch, which basically lets you create something like that, right? The arc offset, right? And you can also select it, delete it, and then you have the arc notch, and it's basically like the arc but as a notch, right? So you can, oh, a tiny bug here. Oh no, okay, I understand. Let's see. Oh, it's because I'm dragging this point. No. Oh yeah, so it's a little bug here. You see when I drag this point, it's actually thinking my position is here. So a little bug to fix, but yeah. So anyway, so that's about it for the tool. You also have the live update option, which gives you the update as soon as you edit the section line, but that was already there. And you also have, okay, this option, sketch based complex section, is basically giving you like the old workflow for the section lines. So you'll recognize it's the same UI. Basically you have the same UI as in the old tool, and this lets you like select just a sketch and use it for your section line. But yeah, so that's about it. This tool is available in the AutoCAD builds, and it will be also available in FreeCAD as soon as the pull request is reviewed and merged. So that's about it for today. If you like my work and want to support me, you can check out AutoCAD. It's like a premium version of FreeCAD that is a bit ahead of FreeCAD, and and then I pull So I put all my new features in AutoCAD, and after a while, those features are pulled into FreeCAD. So if you want to support me, it's a great way. It's just how I make a living. So that enabled me to keep doing it, right? So well, that's about it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.